Hello everyone! To help you understand more about stressed syllables, this is the video discussion about stressed syllables. First, what does stress means? When we say stress, it means it is the emphasis given on a syllable or a word. It is pronounced louder or stronger than the other syllables. Again, that is stress. It doesn't mean, oh my goodness, teacher, I am stressed. Nuh-uh. When we say stress, it is the emphasis. Therefore, the syllable is pronounced longer, louder than the other syllable. A stress syllable is marked with a stress mark or an apostrophe on top of the vowel. There are some rules that you have to remember whenever you are stressing. Teacher, what are those? First, nouns with two syllables always have the stress on the first syllable. Again, when we say stress, it is pronounced longer and louder than the other syllables. So, let us determine how should we do it with some nouns. Example, the name Justine. How should we divide the word Justine into syllables? Very good. It will become just and tin. According to the rule, if it is a noun, a name of a person, place, thing, animal, or event, the stress must be on the first syllable. Which is the first syllable here? Very good. The first syllable is the syllable just. Therefore, the stress will be on. Very good. It will be on top of letter U. Justine. Now, how should we pronounce it? Very good. It will become Justine. Justine. Notice that we pronounce the syllable just louder than the syllable thin. Another one. How about the word or the name Jamin? How should we syllabicate Jamin? Very good. It will become jam in. Now, what is the first syllable here? Correct. The first syllable is the syllable jam. Now, where should we put the stress? Correct. The stress will be on top of letter A. How should we pronounce it? Jamin. Okay, very good. Jamin. Jamin. Okay, we're not calling him Jamin. Jamin is wrong. That will happen if you put the stress on letter I. But since it's a noun, the stress is on the first syllable. Very good. Let's try another one. How about the name Haley? Haley. How should we syllabicate Haley? Okay, divide them between the letter L. Now, where should we put the stress? Very good. The stress will be on top of letter A. How should we pronounce this name? Haley. Very good. Haley. Notice that the syllable hail is pronounced louder and longer than Lee. Haley. Haley. Okay, amazing. Again, because these are nouns. Another one. How about the word captain? Okay, first syllabicate the word captain. Okay, it will become captain. Now, where should you put the stress? Correct. It will be on the first syllable, and the first syllable is cap. Now, how should you read it? Okay, it must be read as captain. Captain. Again, it is because these are nouns. These are nouns. Nouns with two syllables must have the stress on the first syllable. Amazing. Let's move to rule number 2. Rule number 2. Verbs with two syllables always have the stress on the second syllable. So rule number 2 is the total opposite of rule number 1. And when we say verbs, these are words that show action. Okay, they show action. Example, the word command. Command. Okay, now command is an action wherein you are giving direction to someone and they must follow it. But before we discuss about this one, will you please tell me how should we divide the word command into syllables? Okay, you should divide them between the two letter M. It will become command. Command. How should we put the stress here? Should it be in com in the first syllable, or should it be in mand on the second syllable? Let's try something. Let's try to put it on the first syllable and let's pronounce it. Command. Command. Does it sound nice? No. How about on the second one? Let's try it on the second one. Command. Command. Does it sound better? Very good. The correct answer is, or the correct stress must be on the second. Again, why? Because this word is a verb. Again, because this word is a verb. Let's try another verb. How about the word decline? Decline. How should we syllabicate the word decline? Correct. It will become decline. Decline. Now, where should we put the stress? Amazing. It should be on the second syllable, on top of letter I. Decline. Decline. Again, decline. The stress syllable is pronounced longer and louder. Another one. How about the word follow? Follow. Where should you divide the word follow? Between the letter L. Correct. Now, where should you put the stress? Which O? Okay, correct. The stress are the letter O on the second syllable. Now, how should you pronounce it? Follow. Very good. Follow. Amazing. Since you already know what or where to stress if it is a noun or a verb, let us have some practice. Where to stress. Determine where should we put the stress on the following word. Are you ready? Then let's start. Where should we put the stress on the word basket? Where should we put the stress? Very good. It should be in bus. Okay, it should be on the word or in the syllable bus. Why? This word is a noun. How should we pronounce it? Basket. Very good. The syllable bus is pronounced longer and louder than the other syllable. How about number 2? What should be the stress, or where should be the stress in the word compare? Compare. Where? Very good. It should be in the syllable pair. Okay, it should be in the syllable pair. Why? Because this one is a verb. Because this one is a verb. Again, how should we pronounce it? Compare. Correct. Compare. Let's have number 3. Where should you put the stress in the word idol? Idol. Very good. It should be in the syllable I. Correct. It should be in the syllable I. Why? What is it? Is it a noun or a verb? Okay, it's a noun. Again, how do you read it? Idol. Very good. Idol. Number 4. Where should you put the stress in the word laptop? Again? Very good. It should be in lap. Okay, it should be in the word or in syllable lap. Again? Laptop. Laptop. Amazing. Last number. Where should you put the stress if the word is attach? Attach. Again? Which A? Is it in at or in tat? Okay, it should be in the syllable touch. Okay, it should be in the syllable touch. Why? Because this is a verb. Again, how should we read it? Attach. Attach. Okay, I hope rule number 1 and rule number 2 is clear. Are you sure? Very good.